Hello everyone, I am Prashant Nandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, today we will learn Elastic Beanstalk and RDS. Before we moving on to demo, I request you all to subscribe to our channel for more information on DevOps related courses. And if I have prepared the notes in our GitHub repo for the same, you will see what is Elastic Beanstalk, RDS, and everything here. If you see, Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service. Okay, in our initial videos on AWS Masterclass series, we have learned as PaaS, SaaS, right, which means software as a service applications and all those things. Similarly, Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service, which means it will give you platform. Okay, that allows developers to deploy and manage applications without managing infrastructure manually. Hope you understood. Which means the Elastic Beanstalk will automatically create EC2 instance, load balancer, and monitoring and everything as per your requirement. Okay, let's begin our demo. Search for Elastic Beanstalk and after that click on create application, give name, click on create. Now create an environment for your application, correct? Web server environment. Domain, you can provide your domain if you want to have your custom one, like if you give your name or something and check availability. If it is available, this domain is used. Platform, I'll be going with Python. Here you can go with the sample application or existing versions. For now, I'll be going with custom code. I'll label version as 1.0. It is in local file. You need to have these three applications and in zip file. I mean, you can Google or you can get your custom application which is in Python and requirements and everything. Click open. I'm going with single instance. You can also go with any, but as a free tier I'm going with single instance. Here we need to provide service roles. Okay, I already had, so I'm not providing any roles here, but I'll show you what roles I have given. Search for IAM roles, click on roles. If you see service role hyphen PR, service role hyphen PR, this service role I have created to manage Elastic Beanstalk, and these are the policies I have given. Elastic Beanstalk enhanced health and managed update customer role policy, and the other one is for EC2 instance, which is Elastic Beanstalk EC2 role PR. Here I have given three policies: Elastic Beanstalk multi-container Docker, Beanstalk web tier, and worker tier. You can get these, you can directly click on create role and the policies will automatically select. As of now, I don't want to go with any key pair, so I'll be clicking next. VPC. I have a custom VPC, so I am going with that. If you're not aware of how to create VPCs, subnets, and security groups, I request you all to go to our AWS Masterclass series in our YouTube channel, and you can watch the videos which we had uploaded earlier for creating custom VPC, subnets, and security groups, and also for a public IP. I'll be selecting two public subnets for this and then click next. This is monitoring tool optional, so I'm skipping it. This is also an optional one, so I don't want to go with anything here right now. Yeah, verify here. This is our environment tier, application name, and the file which we uploaded. And this is our platform. This Elastic Beanstalk and all those things. If you want, you can change the platform as well. Let me show you. Here if you see, We provided Python and this, right? And here you can see the other as well, other supported. So for now I'm going with 3.14 and 4.10 single free tier instance. Just I'm reselecting the file. -pr. I'm selecting with custom VPC and my public subnets, public IP. Click next. These are optional one. You can change as per you can, but for now I'm leaving it. Verify again here, it will show you details. Okay, click on create and see. Now if you see here, the application, the demo application environment is being created, and you can verify the details which it is creating in the events. If you see, environment is started and it is using S3 bucket. Similar way, you can verify all the details. It has been created security group. It has created a public IP. Let's wait for another few minutes. Waiting for instance to launch. Wonderful. It is pending its state. Once the instance is being created, it will highlight here. Wonderful. An instance has been added. Go to AWS. Click on EC2. Search for instance and change it to running state. This is the instance that has been created. Now you can verify the name demo application environment, and this is our demo application environment. Refresh the page. Cool. It's in running state. Let's verify if status check is done. Yeah, status check has been completed. Go back to environment. Deployment has failed, but deployment has been successfully run. Let's wait for 2 minutes again. Okay, let me try to upload my zip file again. Let's wait till this finishes. Great. If you see here, environment has been updated successfully and health is okay. See, when I browse my domain, it is showing welcome to Prashant Nandam channel, AWS Masterclass series, Elastic Beanstalk, Python 3.14 successful deployment. Now, if I go back to instances, this is the one running, right? And browse the public IP, I should get the same. Let's wait a moment. See, it is showing the site can't be reached. Why? Because it is in HTTPS, but we deployed in HTTP. See, this is how it works. So whenever you want to test some application, or you want AWS to manage environment like EC2 instance and everything, in that scenario you can go with Elastic Beanstalk with your custom application code. And let me show you my code as well. I had two files, which is application.py and requirements.txt. This is my application content, I mean sample details. This is what we are seeing, masterclass series and successful. And in requirements.txt, this is what I have wrote. I deleted the other file, due to which we were encountering errors previously. And let me show you another one as well. Click on create environment, give name as sample, Here you can search for sample and see what is available. See, this is how you can give your custom domain, where this one it will change. And same again, I'll go with Python. I'll leave it as it is. Now I'll go with sample application. Okay, earlier what we did, uploaded our source code, right? Now I'll go with sample application and single instance, and I'll show you how the sample application will look like. Same roles I'm selecting again, nothing new. VPC again, our custom VPC and availability zone as well. Public IP is set to false, but we need public IP. Yeah, I enabled it. Cool. Let's just click on create. Again, same, you will see here what we see in our web page. Right now we'll see sample one. Again, you can see in the events creating environment and what all it is going to do. Just let's wait for some time. It's waiting to launch EC2 instance. Cool, it's still pending state. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Wonderful, it is done. Now if you see, domain will be our one which we provided, sample 1 2. This is how the sample site look like. And go to EC2 instance, and where it is, we had another one as well we recently created, right? This one, browse this IP, it should give you the same. See, this is how it works, the sample one. That's all for today for Elastic Beanstalk. Thanks for watching, and in our next video we will see RDS database. Thanks for watching.